Hi Elsa, hope you're well. I just thought I'd quickly look at the YouTube thing that we were mentioning. So if we go to my channel here, let's see what have we got. My channel, for example, or YouTube Studio. My channel, and then let's just take a video. For example, here's all the videos, and then what I'm going to go and play it, boom, 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 and then share, and here is your embed option. So if you just copy that, then obviously that's how you would do it. What I suspect, however, is that for some reason you're not getting this, and I'm not sure why not.
Today I'm doing the freebie animal.
Don't want them. So I shouldn't be able to. I can share this as well, because that's not my video. So the question is, why aren't you getting this? I wonder. Why aren't you getting that embed video? So first of all, let's see if you can. If that's what the issue is. Okay. Thanks. Bye.